Alright, so in this tutorial we're gonna try to be a little creative and try to mix between a deer and a hyena and see what's gonna come out of it. I personally have no idea how it would look like, so let's find out together. Alright, so as we see here, this mutant animal, it has a kind of a deer looking face with deer horns, sharp hyena teeth, and fur around its neck that look like a hyena. Actually, his whole body look like a hyena, kind of. You notice the mixture here? So this is it. If you like to see more animals mixed together and have any more suggestions, you can write it down below in comments. And if you want to see more of my videos, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.